Students, let's continue chapter 4 rational numbers. Now we are going to discuss few examples of exercise. First, before that I am going to tell you properties of rational number. First property of rational number is that a rational number remain unchanged if its numerator and denominator is multiplied by the same non-zero number. Look at the example. See, minus 4 by 5 is any rational number. If it multiplied by same non-zero number, if we are saying it is multiplied by 2, and further again it's multiplied by 3 and 3, both numerator and denominator multiplied by same non-zero number, the rational number remain unchanged. It remain unchanged. You can say it remained same. So we can say minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 8 by 10 is equal to minus 12 by 15 is equal to minus 16 by 20. In these you can say, in these all rational numbers we have chosen a same non-zero number, we have multiplied with same non-zero number, so we get whatever the rational number we get, it remains same. So now next property 2, if we divide, earlier we discussed multiplication, if we divide any rational numbers numerator and denominator by same non-zero numbers, it remain unchanged. For example, we have 8 by minus 8 by 20 and we have divided this by 2 and we get minus 4 by 12. So this minus 8 by 24 is equivalent to minus 4 by 12. Now let's discuss example first. Find 4 equivalent rational numbers of minus 3 by 4. So how can we find out equivalent rational numbers? By multiplying numerator and denominator with same non-zero number. So let's multiply first by 2, then by 3, then by 4. But it should be very clear that it should be multiplied by its numerator and denominator by same number. Minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 into 5 into 5. So minus 3 by 4 has this 4 equivalent rational number, that is minus 6 by 8, minus 9 by 12, minus 12 by 16, minus 15 by 20. All these are equivalent rational numbers. Now look at the second example. Write 3 by minus 5 as a rational number with positive denominator. So how can we convert this? Now see, this is here in denominator is negative. We want to make it positive. How can we make it positive? By multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1. So we will multiply its numerator and denominator by minus 1. So we will get minus 3 and minus into minus plus, we get 5 here, plus 5. So we have converted this rational number with positive denominator just by multiplying its numerator and denominator by minus 1. Now look at the next example. Express 5 by 8 as a rational number with numerator 15. First is, now this is our rational number and its numerator is 15. What is it? Numerator is 15. So what will be the denominator? So suppose the numerator is minus 15. So we want to say numerator is minus 15. So what will be the denominator? So to make it minus 15, with which number we will multiply 5, that we will get minus 15. For 15, we will multiply this by 3. But to get negative sign, we'll multiply by, see, look at this. We'll multiply -3, and this our property says that we'll multiply numerator and denominator with same non-zero numbers. So here also we'll take -3. So 5 3s are 15. Here no sign is here, it means plus. Plus multiply by minus, minus. In denominator what we will get? It's -24. So second part. Express 5 by 8 with as a rational number with the numerator 10. Now we want numerator 10. Now what will be the denominator? So see, here is only positive number. This sum we have done in fractions also. So with which number will multiply 5? 2. What our property says? We multiply with the same non-zero number with denominator also. So in denominator we get here 16. So this is the way in which we have expressed any rational number with the numerator -15 and denominator, next is numerator 10. Now look at the example 4. Write 8 by -36 in standard form. So when we convert 8 by -36 in standard form, we have two rules. First one is the denominator should be positive. To make the denominator positive, we multiply its numerator and denominator by -1. So here we get -8 and in denominator we get 36, positive 36. I told you that there are two steps. One is denominator should be positive. So we have done that, the denominator is positive. Second, there should not be any common divisor between numerator and denominator. So here we can see 8 and 36 has common divisor 4. Like 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So we'll divide it by 4. So we get -2 by 9. Now -2 by 9 is the standard form. So see, it fulfills both the condition. One is denominator should be positive. Yes, its denominator is positive. Second, there should not be any common divisor other than 1. So 2 and 9 has not any common divisor. So this is our standard form. Next, show that 3 by -8 and -6 by 16 are equivalent rational numbers. So we have done cross multiplication method. We want to see whether these are equivalent rational numbers or not. What we will do? We'll just do the cross multiplication. 3 into 16 -8 into -6. What is the rule? The numerator of first rational number will be multiplied by the denominator of the second rational number. Keep in mind always, numerator of the first rational number and denominator of the second rational number. Then in right hand side, denominator of the first rational number and numerator of the second rational number. So here we get 48, 8 6 are 48, minus into minus plus. So no sign is here, 48 is equal to 48. So yes, we can say that this 3 by -8 and -6 by 16 are equivalent rational numbers. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.